Hello YouTube, hello everyone, what's up? Last time we configured an environment for database. So today we can connect our Laravel application with mysql database and save currencies information into database. Let's do it! Laravel supports variety of ways to use database, including eloquent ORM that we are going to use. Okay, well, a plan for today's video is like that. Firstly, we need to have a table in database where data from API will be stored. So we will create such table. Then we modify a collect data method to use that table. After that, we make changes in other method that provides us that currencies data. We will take it from our database. And finally, we check that a view layer can use that data without any changes. All communications between Laravel controller and MySQL server happen through Laravel model class. Let's create it by another useful artisan command, php artisan make model. And the name of the model is currency. Models generated by the artisan command will be placed in the app models directory. Take a look at it. Now we can store and collect data from MySQL table by using this model, but there is no that particular table yet, and moreover, there is no such database on our server. So open example control panel and click on MySQL admin button. There is a PHP myadmin page. We want to create new database, and that's it. Now let's create a table. But we are not going to use PHP myadmin or something like that. We will use Laravel style. Run other awesome artisan command, php artisan make migration. And the name of this migration is create currencies table. This command creates a migration file in database migration catalog. It is common migration file. We will correct it later. Now just write some new artisan command php artisan migrate. This command creates all tables that we have migrations for, and our currency table as well. Take a look at the PHP myadmin page. There are some common tables and our new table. Click on structure. There are only 3 rows. These rows are from the migration file. So obviously we need some extra fields here. Let's look at JSON file that we received from API and decide which fields we want to create. Delete unnecessary code from view presentation and check whole JSON array. There are such interesting fields as date, timestamp, and valued object. There are a lot of different values in this object, but we are interested in US dollar and euro. Okay, go back to our migration. Let's create fields for necessary objects. Timestamp is already here, so add currency code, value, and date. Open a terminal and run php artisan migrate refresh command. This command refreshes all tables in database. So be careful and don't use it when your project is running. Check tables on PHP myadmin page. All new fields are here. Now we are ready to save some data into it. Open a controller. We will use a model, so add it in a header. Use app models currency. Okay, now we can use it for working with the table in database. We want to receive 2 fields from API. There are USD and euro. So we don't need to find these fields, and we can write it clearly. It looks like hard code, but come on, it is just a beginning. These 2 commands will write data into database. But before we try, we need to modify our model. There is a protection system in a eloquent system. According to this system, we need to specify what fields we want to insert. So open a model again and add protected fillable array. These fields we will be able to insert and update. Okay, now we can try to write some data into database, refresh a page and look at the phpMyAdmin. Yes, data is here. Now let's modify this controller right. Create a setter and getter methods. Those methods will collect data from MySQL table and serve it to the view layer. Finally, change endpoints in route file and update the page. There is an eloquent collection with all data we need. Next time we are gonna try to represent this data in some fancy look. This is it for today. It wasn't piece of cake, was it, eh? Thank you for attention. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.